me, watch how while I mesh. Put my heart in the blender, guaranteed to pound the flesh. The chef that's rapping, getting it patent. Let's get cracking as we all get fattened. Skilled in the kitchen, you can only imagine. From pasta to salmon, I make it happen. Hip hop rock is the spot that I am in. Aries the ramen, which plate you grabbing? No doubt you're gonna feast the famine. Wrist strap assassin, apron's getting fastened. Doing what I do and I'ma do it with passion. I wasn't meant to create content. The rapper in me got me a big bang. Crept in the kitchen to fix a plate. Just kept rapping about what I ate. With a great idea, hell yeah, damn straight. So reinvention, cause it's never too late. Poem steady flowing and I gotta keep it going. And I'm glowing, showing a party when I'm known. And I'm wet, hold up, back to the recipe. One dish that's definitely a specialty. Proper presentation, high intensity. So before I bid adieu, about to get 5 stars when you do the review. So lean back, you better clean that fish just for the halibut. Combine lemon butter wine just to be accurate. Few dabs of soy and rubber dub before you bust a grub. Honey, the man is here. Get the heat going for the pants here. And follow the instructions with the introduction of my food production.